Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Batman dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be meeting up with the man himself, Batman. And hopefully he can teach us everything he could possibly know about being a superhero. So what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 black wool, place 2 of them just like that. And then you're going to need 4 yellow wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your black wool just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 black wool, and then 1 white wool on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 black wool, and then 2 black wool in the middle, and then 1 yellow wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, take your flint and steel, and boom, light this baby up. That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Batman dimension. And hopefully he'll let us wear his Batman suit, guys, and ride around in his Batmobile. And oh my god, right here we are, guys. And whoa. Oh my god, this is way more amazing than I could have ever imagined. Wow. Oh my gosh, but where's Batman at? I don't see Batman anywhere, guys. I'm starting to wonder if he's even in right now. He might be out like saving people and whatnot. Like, where's Batman at? Oh my gosh, I don't see him anywhere, guys. I see his monitors right here. This is actually where he watches all the crime go down. And he's like, oh my god, Joker's back out. And oh my god, Harley Quinn. Oh my god, she's trying to take somebody out. Oh my gosh. And oh my god, right there's Batman. Whoa, did he just appear there, or was he there the whole time? He kind of blends in with this whole cave, guys. Like, if he was there the whole time, then I'm probably looking pretty stupid right now. But if he wasn't there the whole time, then he's looking pretty superhero-ish right now. But my pig is such a big fan of yours. He actually wants to be the first Bat Pig. Will you let that happen for him? No, he's not superhero material. Oh my gosh, he's going to be so sad about this one, Batman. But I do kind of understand. I couldn't see him being Batman either. I told him that before we came here, but he just wouldn't listen. I'm actually going to go ahead and make you a Batmobile out of TNT, and it's going to be amazing, Batman. Watch. I'm going to go ahead and make this thing pretty cool. Why are you walking away? It's not like it's going to blow up or anything. Oh my gosh, he's afraid. He's afraid that it's going to blow up just because it's made out of TNT. Everybody knows that TNT was meant to be drove, not meant to blow up. Like, I can't believe Batman don't know that. But let's go ahead and place the TNT right there, guys. And look, now there's a little place for him to set and drive around and fight crime and whatnot. And come back, Batman. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to blow it up, guys. Because he was right. It's too dangerous. It's too dangerous to have a Batmobile made out of TNT. And oh, I don't think that pig's going to be Bat Pig anytime soon, guys. But what do you want me to do now, Batman? Do you have any kind of mission for me to do? Oh, you have a really dangerous mission for me to do? What is that, Batman? I think he wants me to put all the fire out, guys. All that fire over there, he wants me to put it all out. I'll do that for you, Batman. I'll do that, and then hopefully after I do this for him, guys, he will let me be a superhero. Because that's all I've ever wanted to be my whole entire life, is a real superhero. So let's go ahead and let's put all this fire out, guys. And hopefully then he will let us wear the Batman suit. And wow, there's a lot of fire. Like, how does your place catch on fire like this? Especially when there's a bunch of water around. Like, I could see if there was no water anywhere, but like, there's a bunch of water. So how is his place catching on fire? Like, that don't make any sense to me at all, guys. Like, that just don't make any sense. But let's go ahead and let's jump. Oh my god, I'm in the water. I'm getting my clothes all wet. Let me go ahead and put this fire out up here, guys. Boom, I think we put all the fire out, guys. Did we put all the fire out? Oh, no, there's still one fire going. Let's go ahead and put this fire out, guys. Oh, my God, I missed it. No, let me put it out. Boom. I think we put all the fire out now. Oh my god, right when you think all the fire's out, then somehow there's more fire that occurs, guys. Like, is Batman just going around with the flint and steel catching stuff on fire? Like, if he's doing that, I'm going to be so mad, guys. I'm going to be so mad. Let's put that out. Let's go ahead and jump on over here, guys. Oh my god, how am I going to get up to it? That's right, I got some TNT, guys. Let's put this fire out. Boom! We just put all the fire out for Batman, guys. Now he should accept us. He should make us his superhero buddy. So hopefully he will accept me, and he'll let me be like, you know that one guy from Batman Beyond? The one that was wearing the red and black suit? Hopefully he'll let me be that Batman, guys. Will you let me be the Batman from Batman Beyond? Oh, you already got a guy for that? You should have told me that before I went and put all your fire out. That wasn't my fault either. I didn't blow up your monitor. That was totally my pig. My pig totally did that to you, Batman, and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry he did that. Like, I would never place TNT down and then light it up on you. Like, I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that mean of a guy to do that. Like, I would not blow up your bat cave. Like, what kind of guy do you take me for? Do you take me for the guy that would just place TNT like this? And then don't try to stop me and then just light it up like that? And then just watch it blow up like boom! Yeah, that was definitely me. That was definitely me. You probably shouldn't have trusted me on that one. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!